It's snowing out here. And the sun is out. Sheesh. So I got that done. It said it's going to take 2 to 4 weeks, I guess, for the background check to come through. I'm not worried about it because I haven't did anything illegal. So it is actually snowing. Jeez. Alright, so I got out of there. You know I can't film it. Ouch. I can't film inside. Hold on, I'll pull my ear piercing. I can't film inside. So I couldn't take you guys with me, but for just a moment. Alright, so I work in Maryland. I have a multi-state license, and I work in Maryland majority of the time, and I came to Delaware for like a few weeks, but Delaware is saying that, I guess because it's been so long, that I need to have a background check, fingerprints also. I'm not really worried about it because I haven't I'm not worried about it at all because what did he say just? Oh, that was a text from my hubby. I'm not worried about it because I haven't done anything, and I don't, desire to do anything that's illegal. I ain't about that life, to be honest with you. So anyway, yep, that was it. I'm on my way back. I had to ride up Dover. Dover from where I live at is 40 minutes. So I had to do a 40-minute ride just to get my fingerprints done. And that's pretty much it. Yep. That's the life of a nurse. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Give me a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you later. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And check out Sunday with the Sisters. Those girls, they bound to make you laugh, but we guarantee we're going to make you smile. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Do, 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 do.